we're at another beautiful home in Davie, Florida, fixing another problem caused by a landscaper. In this case, the landscaper called us themselves to have us fix the problem. He had a crew come out to install all of these hedges, and all of a sudden, all of the rotors don't work going down that direction. And he has a feeling one of his guys was trying to be nice and tried to fix the line. Obviously, they didn't do it right. Now I got to go figure out where they may have capped or did something wrong to the line. And what I'm going to do here is I've found this connection here with the T, and I know that the rotor that's connected to the larger pipe here works. I know that there's a rotor at the other end over there, so I know that this 1/2 inch line works. That 3/4 inch line is where I'm having a problem. I'm going to cut that pipe, take my fish tape, which is made out of metal, and send it down that line. And then I'm going to go grab my locator, which can track metal things underground, and I'm going to track my metal fish tape to figure out where it stops. We're still going to track it to see where it stops, but judging by the dirty water coming out of the pipe, I think I broke whatever clog was happening inside of this line, because now we got water moving out from the other end. I wish I knew where one of the heads were down there, because then I would just blow into that head to blow the water back in this direction, but I don't know where that's at. We're going to hook up the tracker to this fish tape here and see where that takes us down there to at least know where this thing stopped. We are going to go ahead and plumb all this back together, knowing where that location is down there, and then turn the system back on, because it is highly likely that I just clogged the pipe, and we should maybe be able to turn the zone on without having to dig it up over there. Let's see what happens.